Hi guys, welcome to Hosting Provider. In today's video we will show you how you can create unlimited cPanel accounts with our shared cPanel license. You need two things for this. First is a VPS or dedicated server. Second is our cPanel shared license. So without wasting time, let's get started. We are going to use Hostname VPS because they are reliable and provide our best performance in lesser price. If you want to purchase, you can get the links from the description. We already have the VPS, so we are just going to reinstall the VPS. We are using AlmaLinux 8 for this video because AlmaLinux supports cPanel latest version, which is 11.116.0.9. Once you got the VPS IP and password, just log into your VPS with SSH. After successful login, first you need to change the hostname. All commands is in description, you can copy from there. While selecting hostname, remember one thing: to only use hostname with the same name of your domain. Just add your desired prefix. And your hostname is ready. After changing your hostname, you need to update your OS. It will take time, depend on your server location or speed. When the update complete, reboot your server. When the installation is complete, we need to install NetworkManager for cPanel. Don't forget to use these commands. If you forgot or reboot your server, then you will not able to access your VPS again. You need to completely reinstall your server to access it again. Once the NetworkManager installed, just reboot your server. Once the server reboots, you need to install Fleet SSL plugin to generate SSL certificates for user in cPanel dashboard. Hostname SSL certificate to avoid security warning while accessing cPanel dashboard. Both the features are free with our cPanel license. You just need to enter the command and everything will be taken care by our scripts. Congratulations, your cPanel is installed successfully now. If you face any issue, you can contact us. Contact details is in description. Now log into your WHM to complete initial setup. To log into your WHM, just add :2087 at the end of your hostname. Select the checkbox to agree the terms and conditions and click Continue. Now enter your name, server details or email ID to receive notification and reports of your cPanel server. As you can see that your hostname certificate is also installed successfully. Thank you for being connected until the end of this video. We hope you will get the all things we explain. If you have any query or facing any issue while installing, you can contact us by the following details mentioned below. Our support is always open for you 24/7. Thank you for watching this video. Please be connected with us by subscribing our YouTube site www.hostingprovider.co.in.